Hello, today I will show you top 25 things to do in Zurich, Switzerland. So let's start with the number 1, Zurich Zoo. Number 2, Zürich-West. Number 3, Lake Zurich. Number 4, St. Peter. Number 5, Lindenhof. Number 6, Niederdorf. Number 7, Museum of Art. Number 8, Bahnhofstrasse. Number 9, Altstadt, Old Town. Number 10, Grossmünster. Number 11, FIFA World Football Museum. Number 12, Swiss National Museum. Number 13, Pavillon Le Corbusier. Number 14, Uetliberg. Number 15, Bio Clock and Watch Museum. Number 16, Limmat Cruise. Number 17, Fraumünster. Number 18, Riedberg Museum. Number 19, Outdoor Swimming. Number 20, University of Zurich Botanical Garden. Number 21, Zurich Opera House. Number 22, Zoological Museum. Number 23, Schanzengraben. Number 24, Bahn. And the last one, number 25, Street Parade. Don't forget to like and subscribe.